And welcome back, my math party people. Coach Anderson here, and we have another word problem that I want you to see if you know what we need to do here. So pause the video if you'd like to, and then press play when you're ready, but I want to know if you know what the plan is. So I don't need you to do any calculations. I want to know if you know how to solve this off the top of your head without any hesitation. So let's go ahead and go through it now. Step one, always read the question first. What is it that we want here? How much did Daniel pay at checkout? So again, never overlook this step. As short or as long as a problem might be, always go with what the last thing I want you to do is move on without taking advantage of all the help that you can get, including my free classes that are once a week. So before you go ahead and text this number right there. Go ahead and ask it. When's the next free class? My assistant is going to text you back as soon as we can, and they'll let you know when the next free class is with the link. That way you can mark your calendar and ace the ASVAB next time we're around. I'll see you in there, my party people. Let's get to it. So here we are. Daniel took a computer listed at $1,802 or $1,802 to the checkout counter, where he applied a 45% discount. Okay, so it's, again, good to write that information down. So we have ourselves over here. Let's use a different color. So it was listed at $1,802. All right, listed at $1,802. And then we see over here a discount was applied. So 45 discount applied. The hardest part about practicing for the ASVAB, in my opinion, is knowing when you're ready. Knowing that you are good to go and move on from this topic, and that's why our full program has a progress dashboard letting you know exactly what you're good at and what you need to work on. And the great thing is you can join our full program for free for a full week, no credit card required. That's our trial that's available for you. So go ahead and text trial to 833-3210182 or click the link in the description of this video to get started and have yourself a good time. Go ahead and do it, my ASVAB party people. I'll see you in there. Now, this is where things get interesting because, again, when it comes to any question, any context, any situation, we could ask you for any number of things. So it's really important to focus, again, on that question sentence because that's going to tell you what you need to do. So here, how much did Daniel pay at checkout? Okay, so what we're looking for is the amount that corresponds to what we pay at checkout, not what it was originally listed as, and not the percent or the amount of the discount. We want to know the price after the discount. So that's what we're going to focus on. So let's think about it like this, my math party people. So if you haven't had much practice when it comes to tax and discount, we're really going to get a little bit of practice here today. So think about it like this. What's the original amount in terms of the percent? Because we know the original amount, that's $1,802, but what is that as a percent? That is 100%. Again, the original amount is the same as saying 100%. Now, when we have this 45% discount, there is an amount that corresponds to how much the discount actually was. But that's not what we're looking for. So if this is what you found, again, this is how you can tell, hey, okay, I did the math right, but I just plugged the wrong numbers in. So here, again, there's an amount of the discount. But we are, again, in the end, looking for the amount paid. And so if you're asking, is there a percent that represents the percent that you'll pay? Absolutely. Absolutely. And there's an easy way to find that. How do you think that is? Think of it like this. We know that 100% represents the whole thing. We are discounting or deducting or taking away 45%. What's left? The percent that you pay. So let's do that. We have 100%. We'll subtract 45%, leaving us with 55%. That's what we're left with. Meaning, again, this is the percent that you pay. Because you were supposed to pay 100, you discounted 45%, and you're left paying 55%. So that's a great thing for us. We have that right there. And now the next step is going to be Well, again, how do we use this information to get the amount paid? Well, this is great because we know what the original amount was, and we know what the percentage that we're looking for is, so this is the result. If you don't know what I'm talking about, allow me to go ahead and show you again the percent formula that we will definitely want to remember to use. So remember, the formula is this: the percent times the original equals the result. Again, the percent times the original equals the result. And remember that the percent you apply and the result that you get, they need to represent the same thing. That's why when we plug in this 55%, well, what it corresponds to is the amount paid. Again, the percent you apply and the result you get, they represent the same thing. That's why I'm using this line here, and that's why I'm not plugging in 45%. That's the exact reason why. So with that said, again, the original amount was $18.02, and all we need to do now is finish the calculation. So this would turn into 0.55 multiplied by 18.02, and that's going to give us, again, how much we paid. So we'll go ahead and perform that math over here. 1,802 multiplied by decimal 55. Next, we'll have 2 multiplied by 5, which is 10. 0 times 5 is 0, carry the 1. 8 times 5 is 40, carry the 4. 1 multiplied by 5 is 5, carry the 4, making 9. Now we'll go to the next line here. And because we're multiplying by the same exact number, we can go ahead and just copy the results from the previous line. 0, 1, 0, 9, and we're good. Adding everything back, 0, 1, 1, 9, 9. And so from there, we just need to take a track or take into account how many decimals we actually moved. 1, 2, 1, 2, booyah. So that's going to be $991.10. And there we have it, my math party people. That's how much we paid, or Daniel paid, at checkout. And that is answer choice C. So, my party people, as always, I hope this really helped you out. So pay attention really quick before you continue. This can be found in our arithmetic reasoning course, Unit 4, excuse me. So if you're in our program and you want to get amazing practice beyond this, then this is going to be a really great thing for you. So to get into the program, once you're in, what you'll do is you'll go ahead and log into your arithmetic reasoning course. You'll go to Unit 4, and you'll see that right over here. That's percent word problems, and you can scroll all the way down to the unit checkpoint, or you can go ahead and tackle any of these casual practices, lessons, speed drills. It's all there. But the great thing is, you'll get a chance to go ahead, take a timed practice test on all things percentages, and then, boom, go through all of the questions, have fun, do your best. You'll see you have a timer at the top right, and then once you submit, you'll have your score immediately shown, and you'll have a feedback report that you can go to understand all of your mistakes. So you'll get a step-by-step solution, giving you the opportunity to raise your score, raise your confidence, and get the score that you want. So, my party people, again, if you are in the program, that's exactly how you find it. Arithmetic Reasoning Course, Unit 4. And if you're not in the program and you'd like to be in it, then you absolutely can. You absolutely can. Easiest way to do that is going to be to check the link in the description of this video, and you can use the coupon code listed there to save on your first month or save on the full year and the lifetime options. If you have any questions on how the program works, follow the link, watch the video, and then raise your score with us. So, with that said, my math party people, Coach Anderson here, and I'll see you in the next one. Remember to like and subscribe for more. The last thing I want you to do is move on without taking advantage of all the help that you can get, including my free classes that are once a week. So before you go ahead and text this number right there. Go ahead and ask it, when's the next free class? My assistant is going to text you back as soon as we can, and they'll let you know when the next free class is with the link. That way you can mark your calendar and ace the ASVAB next time we're around. I'll see you in there, my party people. Let's get to it.